Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. As you guys see on the title, we have another contact lens review. So this lens was sent to me from dtleye, okay, and this is the packaging here, okay. Sent me 4 contact lens, and these are the stuff that we got in here. These are the packaging. It's like really cute. So it's this Dr. Lee contacts. So we got 2 pieces, yearly disposable. So this is to store the lens, okay. The cool thing about this lens, they are prescription. Whenever I'm working with someone, I always ask them for prescription, because as you guys know, I cannot see for nothing. So I rather have prescription lens to protect my eyes, okay. So I have a discount code for you guys. The discount code is Sheenan10, and you get 10% off your purchase. So the link will be in the description box down below if you guys want to support your girl. This is my first time working with them, so I'll give you guys a little feedback. I don't even know anything about them, so they just reached out to me to do this for you guys. They have natural, UV active, and fancy color contact lens. They are proud to have been trading in the latest color eyes fashion for well over 20 years. Wow. That's good. This is FDA certified, first class quality, advanced safety tech and marketing and all those stuff there. Product. I want to give you guys a little feedback on the return policy, and it's on the website if you guys want to take a look, but I just want to let you guys know in advance. The product can be returned or exchange within 14 days after receive. Customers will only be charged once for shipping costs. To be eligible for a return, your item must be unused and in the same condition that you received it. To complete your return, we require a receipt or proof of purchase. So this one here is Greenstone blue. And as you guys see in the bottom here, this is my prescription here. Okay, I'm just gonna put them on so you guys can see the color. I picked up Greenstone brown, Taylor brown, and Greenstone blue. It just takes me a while to put this on, so maybe I won't show you guys how I'm putting it on. It's just too messy. I'm tearing up, my makeup is separating. It's just a lot going on, but I like this. This looks really good, so we're gonna go ahead and try out another one. So this is Greenstone brown, and I actually love this color on me. It's kind of different, but I still like it, and I didn't have any issues with this one. The first one I tried out, oh my god, my makeup was all over the place, but this one is beautiful. I think it fit my complexion really good. What do you guys think about this one? I really do like it. If you guys are new here, I like natural contact lens, but sometimes you just need to spice it up a little bit, girl, and I like this one. All of these are prescription lens, so I actually could see really good. My eyes are just a little teary, so can't really see clear that much, but I could see my television really clear and good, girl. Okay, so this one here is Taylor brown, and we're just gonna try this out really quick. The other one, this is Taylor brown, and I actually love Taylor brown. I thought it would have been too bright for me. I see myself wearing this one as well. It's really cute, and I think all of them goes with my complexion. This may be a little too bright, but I still do like it. So this is the last one. This is 7110. It has a little green to it, but more on the gray side, if that makes sense. It just makes me look really different. I feel so beautiful with this lens on, and I can see really good with this one as well, you know. But the cool thing I like about this brand, they label all the contact lens which one that goes to the right and which one goes to the left. Label the name on the packaging because the name are not on the packaging. I actually looked all over the packaging and I couldn't figure it out, but what I did, I just went online and I just figured it out from there. That is the only thing that I find they should do, but you know, that is just my little 2 cents about this. Besides that, I like all the lens, and all of them, they look very, very beautiful on me, and I can see really good with it. So let me know in the comments below which one you prefer, which one that looks good on me. I would like to hear what you guys have to say about this lens. Again, I have a discount code down below for you guys if you guys want to support your girl. The code is Sheenan10. You get 10% off if you purchase anything online. Everything will be listed down below, and I'm also gonna list the name of the lens down below for you guys if you want to purchase anything that I share with you guys today. So if this is your first time here, hello, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also to my OG, thank you guys so much for continued support in the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video as well and share the video. Sharing is caring. And thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.